Hi friends, today we learn about three types of animal. Wild animal, domestic animal, water animal. First is wild animal. Lion, tiger, elephant, bear, fox, monkey, deer, giraffe, leopard, panther, zebra, gorilla, kangaroo, crocodile, panda, squirrel. Second, domestic animal. Dog, cat, rabbit, cow, goat, sheep, horse, buffalo, ox, pig, hen, cock, donkey, camel, bull, lamb. Third, water animal. Whale, octopus, dolphin, sea turtle, jellyfish, shark, seahorse, starfish, tuna, lobster, seal, crocodile, crab, eel, codfish, oyster. These are three types of animal. Flower name: rose, lotus, marigold, jasmine, sunflower, lily, lavender, daisy, orchid, hibiscus, tulip, saffron, pansy, butterfly pea, rose, night blooming. Birds name: cock, crow, duck, eagle, peacock, sparrow, hen, owl, swan, pigeon, parrot, chick, rooster, loon, heron, vulture. Insect name: ant, bee, butterfly, dragonfly, spider, ladybug, mosquito, moth, caterpillar, cockroach, beetle, honeybee, fly, grasshopper, centipede, worm.